नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी लोगों का सोनू स्टडी क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल में। दोस्तों मैं आप लोगों को एनसीईआरटी बुक क्लास 9 इंग्लिश चैप्टर 8 काठमांडू क्वेश्चन आंसर मैं आप लोगों को इस वीडियो में बताऊंगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, आंसर दिस क्वेश्चन इन वन और टू वर्ड्स और इन शॉर्ट phrases. नंबर एक, नेम द टू टेम्पल द ऑदर visited in Kathmandu. Number 2. The write say all this I was down with Coca-Cola. What does all this refer to? Number 3. What does Vikram Seth compare to the quails of a porcupine? Porcupine. Number 4. Name 5 kinds of flutes. Answer number first. Number 1. The two temple visited by the author in Kathmandu were the Pasupatinath temple and the Bodhnath stupa. Number 2. All this refer to eating a bar of marzipan, a corn on the cob, roasted in a charcoal stove rubbed with salt, chili powder, and lemon, and reading a couple of love story coming and a reader's digest. Number 3. Vikram Seth compare the 50 of 60 Vansu sticking out in all direction from the pole of a flute sailor to the quills of a porcupine. Number 4. The Japanese Sakuha Chi the reed need the deep bansuri of Hindustani classical music, the clear fluted of South America, and the high pitched singings channels fluted. Question number second. Answer each question in a short paragraphs. Number 1. What difference does the other note between the flute sailor and the other? How cares? Number 2. What is the belief at Pasupatinath about the end of Kali Yuga? Number 3. The author has drawn powerful images and picture. Pick out their 3 example each of. Number first, A atmosphere of febrile confusion outside the temple of Pasupatinath. For example, some people tapping, trying trying to get the priest a attendance are elbowed aside. Number 2. The things he see. Number 3. The sound he hears. Answer number second. Number 1. The other noticed that will all the other how cares shouted out there where the flute sailor was a little different and did not sound his where he simply played his flute slowly and meditatively without too much of display. Number 2. At Pasupatinath there is a small shrine that protruded from the stone platform on the river bank of Bagmati. Bhagmati is a river bank of Bagmati. It is believed that when the shrine will emerge to the flutes from the garden goddess goddess inside it will escape from it and the evil period of Kali Yuga on the earth will come to and end. Number 3. Number first. The author has drawn powerful images and picture of the atmosphere of febrile confusion outside the temple of Pasupatinath. This include the following: a group of saffron clad westerners were facing difficulty to enter the men's gate, as only the Hindus were allowed to enter the temple. A fight that break out between two monkeys and a royal Nepal's princess, for whom everyone makes a why. Number second, he saw that the Baudhnath stupa had an extreme width down, which was ringed by a road. There were small shops on the outer end where wax, tin, prints, and silver jewelry could be purchased. That place was not crowded. On the Vicent streets of Kathmandu, he saw fruit sellers, hawkers of postcard shops selling Western cons- cosmetics, films, rolls, chocolate, copper, unturned utensils, and Nepalese antiques. Number 3. The sound he had were film songs that were screening out from the radio car, horn, bicycle, wheels, vendors shooting out their wares or the street. He also listened to flute music, calling it the most universal and most particular of sound. Question number third. Answer the following question in not more than 150 words each. Number 1. Compare and contrast the atmosphere is in and around B. Buddhanath Srin with the Pasupatinath temple. Number 2. How does the author describe Kathmandu's Vincent streets? Number 3. To hear any flute is to be drawn into the commonality for all mankind. Why does the author say this? Answer number third. Number 1. The atmosphere at the Pasupatinath temple was very noisy and full of choice and confusion. Worshippers were waiting to get the press attention. Some people were pushing and elbowing their say to the front. Saffron clad westerners were trying to enter the temple but were struggling and fighting with the gods. Monkeys were fighting and adding to the overall noise. A corpse was being cremated on the bank of the river Bhagmati. Was a woman were at their work while children were having a birth. In construct, the Baudhnath stupa, on the other hand, was a haven of quietness. In the wide streets around there was no crowd and hence it was relaxing. The silence helped boiled the stillness and serenity at the Buddhist shrine. Shrine. Number second, along along Kathmandu's narrow and wide streets, there have small shrines and deities adorned with flower. Apart from this, the streets are full of flute sellers, hawkers of postcards, shops selling westerns, cons- cosmetic films, rolls, chocolate, selling copper, utensil, and Nepalese antiques. The other hers films songs that were screeching out from the radio sound of car horn and bicycle. Wales vendors shooting out their wares. He also said that stray cow were roaming about on the roads. He draws a vibrant picture of a flute sailor with many bansuri sticking out from his pole. He describes how the screen music produced by the flute sailor is heard clearly above all the other noise. Number 3. The other believes the flute believes the flute's music to be the most universal and most particular all of music. This is on musical instrument which is common to all. Calculate with have the read near the recorded the Japanese Sakunachi, the deep bansuri of Hindustani classical music, the breathly flute of South America, the high pitched Chinese flutes, etc. Even though each of these flute has its own specific fig- fingering and compass. At the other fields that to her any flutes is to be draw into the community of all mankind. This is because the sound produced by flute is very similar to the same living breath of humans which runs through all of them. Similarly, despite the differences in our calcul- culture, caste culture, religions, region, all human beings are the sum. Question number first. Read the following sentence careful to understand the meaning of the Italy she said. Phrases then match the phrasal verb in column A with their meaning in column B. Number 1. A. Communal. Her communal war broke out when the princess was abducted by the Nath warring prince. Number 2. The cockpit broke off from the plane during the plane crash. Number 3. The car broke down on the way and we were left stranded in the jungle. Number 4. The dacoit broke away from the police as they took him to court. Number 5. The brother broke up after the death of the father. Number 6. They broke into our house when we were away. A B A. Number first, break out. Second, break off. Third, break down. Fourth, break away from someone. 5, break up. 6, break into. B A. To come apart due to force. B, and a relationship. C, break and enter illegally, unlawful, trespassing. D, off start, suddenly, usually a fight, a war, or a deserve. E, to escape from someone grief. F, stop working. Answer number first. A B. A, break out. Second, break off. Third, break down. Fourth, break away from someone. 5, break up. 6, break into. B, D, a start, suddenly, usually a fight, a war, or a deserve. B, and a relationship. A, to come apart due to force. E, to escape from someone grip. F, stop working. C, break and enter illegally, unlawful, trespassing. Question number second. Number 1. Use the suffix on or ten to from nouns from the following verb. Make the necessary change in the spelling of the word. Example, proclaim, proclamation. Cremate, dash, invent, dash, direct, dash, dislocate, dash, act, dash, temple, dash, meditate, dash, associate, dash, ex, house, dash, immigrate, dash, imagine, dash, dedicate, dash. Number second. Now fill in the blanks with suitable word from the ons that you have format. Number 1. Mass literacy was possible only after the dash of the printing machine. Number 2. Ramesh is unable to tackle the solution as her lacks. Number 3. I would not resist the dash to open the letter. Number 4. Hard work and dash are the main keys to success. Number 5. The children were almost fainting with dash after being made to stand in the sun. Answer number 2. Number 1. Cremation. Action X से exhaustion. Invention, temperation, immigration, direction, meditation, imagination, dislocation, association, dedication. Number 2. Number 1. Mass literally was possible only after the invention of the printing machine. Number 2. Ramesh is unable to tackle the solution as he lacks imagination. Number third, I would not resist the temperature to open the letter. Number four, hard work and dedication are the main key to success. Number five, the children were almost fainting with exhaustion after being made to stand in the sun. Question number third, punctuation. Use capital letter, full stop, question mark, commas, and inverted comma wherever necessary in the following paragraphs. An arrogant lion was wandering through the jungle. One day he asked the tiger, "Who is stronger than you?" Lion replied, "The tiger. Who is more fierce than a leopard?" asked the lion. "Your sir," replied the leopard. The marched up to an elephant and asked the some question. The elephant picked him up in his track, throwing him in the air and threw him down. "Look," said the lion, "there is no need to get mad just because you do not know the answer." Answer number third. An around lion was wandering through the jungle. One day he asked the tiger, "Who is strong than you, lion?" replied the tiger. "Who is more fierce than a leopard?" asked the lion. "You, sir," replied the leopard. He marched up to an elephant and asked the some question. The elephant picked him up in this truck, swung him in the air and threw him down. "Look," said the lion, "there is no need to get mad just because you do not know the answer." Question number fourth. Simple present tense. Study this sentence from the lesson. A fight breaks out between two monkeys. Film song blare out from the radios. "I was it down with Coca-Cola." The Italy, she said, verb are in the simple present tense. The right is there. Describe what he saw and heard, but he used the present tense instead of the past tense. A narration of a story can be made more dramatic or immediated by using the present tense in this way. Now look at the following sentence. A small string half protruded from the stone platform on the river bank. Small shops stand on the outer edge of the stupa. We use the simple present tense to speak about that he usually or generally track the sentence. A verb describe fact. We also use the simple present tense in sentence depicting in universal truth. For example, the sun rises in the east. The earth revolve round the sun. We can also refer to habitual action using the simple present tense. He usually taken a train instead of a bus to work. We after get fine reason in winter. In this sentence, word like every day, after, seldom, never, every month, generally, usually, etc. Many we use filling the blanks with the correct of the verb in bracket. Number 8. The heart in a pump that does send the blood circulation throughout our body. The pumping action dash take place when the left ventricle of the heart dash contract. This dash force the blood out into the earth, arteries, which dash expand or receive the oncoming blood. Number 2. The African lungfish can live without water for up to 4 years during a drought. It dash dig a pit and dash enclose itself in a capsule of sleep and earth, leaving a tiny opening for air. The capsule dash dry and dash harden, but when rain dash come, the mood dash dissolve and the lung freeze dash swing away. Number 3. Mahesh, we have to organize a class party for our teacher dash. Do anyone play an instrument? VIPUL Rohit dash play the flute. Mahesh dash do he also act? People know he dash compose music. Mahesh that's wonderful. Answer number 4. A. The heart is a pump that sends the blood circulation throughout our body. The pumping action takes place when the left ventri- ventricle of the heart contracts. This force the blood out into the arteries, which expand to receive the oncoming blood. Number 2. The African lungfish can live without water for up to 4 years during a drought. It digs a pit and encloses itself in a capsule of semi slim and earth, leaving a tiny opening for air. The capsule dry and harder, but when rain comes, the mud dissolve and the lungfish swing away. Number 3. Mahesh, we have to organize a class party for our teacher. Does anyone play on instrument? Vipul Rohit plays the flute. Mahesh, does he also act? People know he compose music. Mahesh, that's wonderful. Question number 8. Discuss in class the shrines you have visited or know about. Speak about one of them. Number 2. Imagine you are giving an ear witness account or a running commentary of one of the following. Number 1. A game of football, cricket or hockey or some sport event. Number 2. A parade, easy, Republic Day or some other national event. Speak a few sentences narrating what you see and hear. Use the simple present and the present continuous tense. For example, he passes the ball, but when gets in the Y, this bro shoulders got our frontiers. They display their skill here. Answer number 1. Akash Aksar Akshardham Temple. Answer. Akshardham Temple stands in Delhi. It attracts a large crowd daily in the evening. People of all castes take a look of the carving and evening or the temple. They take a round of temple looking the wonder of craftsmen. Most the people are keen to see the chloride function in the evening. In the evening, it looks like a hair one. Number 2. Rahul passes the ball, but Parminder gets the Y. Javed tries his best to get the ball from his crotches. Spectrons claim at his skill. When he forces it, Joy re- revokes and returns to his friend. He hits the ball very hard and it crosses the line. The goalkeeper fails to control it. Number second, this brave soldiers guard and frontiers. They display their skill, warring their duties. They protect use from the any kind of aggression. They serve us at the risk of their lives. They face all vagaries of nature. They prove their worth every time. Question: Dairy entry for a travel losers. Number 1. The text you read is a traveler where the author Vikram Seth talks about his visit to sacred places in Kathmandu. Imagine that you were with Vikram Seth or his visit of Pashupatinath temple and you were nothing down all that you saw and did there so that you could write a traveler's letter. Record in point 4 what you see when you reach the Pashupatinath temple, what you see happening inside the temple, what you do when inside the temple, what you see outside the temple, what your impressions are about the place. Number second, here is you dry enter when you visited Agra. Read the point and try to write a travelogue describing your visit to Agra and the Taj Mahal. You many add more details. January 2003 rise before dawn. Take the Sathawadi Express and 6:50 a.m. from Delhi meets a newly married couple on train. Talk about Himachal Pradesh. Gate of the train. Enter the ons. Grand city Agra. Twisted alley all year. Twisted all year. Traffic vans. Risk, rickshaw. Cars. People. Wonder. Selling. Religions. Artifact. Plastic. Toys. Spaces and sweets. Go to the Taj Mahal. Constructed entry really of white marble. White marble magical quality color change with wearing all light and showdown marble with gemstones inside reflection of the Taj Mahal in the pond. School children, tourist guides following people. Answer number 1. Kathmandu 14 फरवरी 2020. Today I am much elated to visit the Pashupatinath temple in Kathmandu. It represents a wonderful place of dancing at art work people involved on another. 4. Entry outside the temple. The atmosphere is full of confusion. Priest, devotees, hawkers, tourists, monkeys, pigs on and pets roam through through the ground. Inside the temple there is Shivalinga. Shivalinga. People offer their prayers and worship. They pray for their wellness and prosperity. It is a fine place. It should be opened for all. 2nd January 2003 I get up before dawn and take the Satavadi Express at 6:15 a.m. for Delhi. On the train I meet a newly married couple belong a Himachal Pradesh. We talk about the beauty of Himachal Pradesh and the placed weather. There we arrive at Agra. I get off the train and here a taxi. I enter the grand city of Agra. This is a told city. It has been the capital city of many kinds. The roads are narrow and alley are twisted. There is much confusion and jumps risks. Cars, scooters, trucks, and buses move on the some road. These are vendor selling at a it tables, souvenirs, picture and cameras. There are shops that sells things made for marbles. You can buy reply replicates of Taj Mahal at any shop or emporium. Faith in mithai is speciality speciality of this place. I drive to the Taj Mahal. It looks is- splendid. Guides sorrow under me. I take a guide who taken me round the Taj Mahal. There are beautiful motifs studded with gemstones. Most of them have vanished over the years. There is large number of foreign of and Indian tourism. The visit to the Taj is a memorable experience. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें और नेक्स्ट वीडियो के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।